Hello everybody, today I will show you how to make lemon curd. Now for that we need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, which is approximately juice of 2 lemons, 100 grams of sugar and 2 egg yolks. Now I'll put the lemon juice, egg yolk and sugar all in a pan, and I will put the pan on medium flame on a gas stove. I have to cook all these 3 things together for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. First, the sugar will get dissolved and it will release some water, so it will be very runny and watery, but then I will keep on stirring so that the water evaporates and the sauce becomes thick and like a custard consistency. Now I have to keep on stirring it for 8 to 10 minutes till it thickens. You can see some yellow and white parts. These are from the egg yolk. While separating the egg yolk from the white, some of the white was actually sticking to the yolk. Okay, so these are the white parts. Don't worry, I will just remove all these because I will strain the sauce and then will remove or I will discard all these solid parts. Lemon curd is used in many ways. Actually, you can feel the lemon sponge cake with lemon curd, just in between layer you can put lemon curd. You can put lemon curd inside the cupcakes, like you have to make a hole at the top of the cupcake and just pour some lemon curd inside it and then pipe it with whipped cream. Similarly, you can put lemon curd in the tart shell and make it lemon tart. You just pipe it with whipped cream on top and put a candied lemon wedges. Okay, so there are many ways you can use this tangy sauce. It's really yummy, and always homemade sauces are taste and quality wise it is far better, and of course it is cost effective. So it's always good idea to make your own sauce at home. As you can see, I have reduced the flame and the sauce has thickened, but still not ready. I have to cook it for a couple of minutes more, and it will be ready once it comes to custard consistency. As I said earlier, it will stick on the spatula. Okay, once it thickens, it sticks to the spatula. It's actually boiling now. See the spatula, it's but still need to cook it for a few more maybe 1 more minute, but the flame I have reduced it. It should be done in low flame, should not get burnt. Have to continuously check this with the spatula. Once it thickens and sticks to the spatula, it stays for a few seconds. That means it is ready. But until then, you have to keep on stirring. You cannot leave it on the pan, then it will get burnt. Now it's ready, so I will switch off the gas stove. Now I will strain the lemon curd to discard all the yellow and the white parts, and I will store it in an airtight container in the fridge. It will stay fresh. I can use it for maximum a week. Okay, you have to consume it within a week. Hope you have enjoyed watching and learned to make lemon curd at home. Please make it at home and let me know if you have come across any problem. Please leave a message on the comment section below and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.